Hello everyone, welcome to part 63 of Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. 63 parts in, and we're once again talking about blame, okay, and responsibility here, because really these two connect. And I think I've talked about this kind of stuff before when I previously talked about blame in this series, but let's just recap anyway. So the idea here is that when you blame other people, you also put responsibility onto them. I'm going to give you the example. Say you blame, my mother's the problem because she gave me this pessimistic attitude and she was always criticizing me and she was never nice to me, so now it's my mother's fault. I blame her for my pessimism, my problems. Say somebody, like metaphorically, let's just say somebody did that, okay, just as an example. If they do that kind of thing, if they just say, it's my mom's fault, it's my mom's fault, it's my mom's fault, then it's also her responsibility to fix it, because the thing about pessimists, the thing about those kind of people, is they like to complain about a lot of stuff, but they don't do very much about it, okay? Optimists try to appreciate different situations, and then they also do things to make them better. So that's kind of what we're talking about here, once again, is that when you blame other people, you are putting the responsibility to fix the problems onto them. So instead, don't blame those people, okay? Just let go of this idea that they are to blame, they're the problem, they did this thing, all that kind of stuff. Even if they are the true cause of it, if you take responsibility for it as yourself, saying, this is now, whatever was in the past is in the past, that already happened, I can't fix it, I don't have a time machine, kind of stuff. And instead say, okay, it's all just going to work out in the end, and it's my responsibility, and I'm going to fix it. As soon as you take responsibility, you can really fix the problems in your life, because as long as you blame one person or an event or anything in the past, as long as you do that, you're just pouring this manure all over yourself, so you're all sticky and stinky, and it just doesn't work, okay? So accept responsibility for everything in your life, and you can really transform your life by just accepting responsibility and trying to get rid of blame. A good way to get rid of blame is the idea of this blame challenge. Every time you blame someone or something, just start over. Just say, I'm starting over. And just wave your hand up and down, just as a signal to do that. This part's partially out of The Millionaire Mind, a fantastic book. If you haven't read it, I recommend you give that one a read. But that's basically all I have to say on this one. Don't blame others, take responsibility for your life, and that really allows you to transform it. That's it for part 63. I will see you guys next time with part 64, so stay tuned.